Welcome to Luto ni Diana! Today magluluto tayo ng beef meatballs na parang caldereta, afritada, menudo, and mechado. Yung kulang ko lang dito is liver spread pero okay pa rin yung lasa. At ginawa kong meatballs dahil yung mga anak ko hindi kumakain ng beef chunks. Kaya ito perfect doon sa mga bata na hindi kumakain ng beef chunks. Kaya mga mommies, keep on watching!
The door's open, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you open. We should be close.
So okay guys, umpisahan muna natin sa paggawa ng meatballs at ito yung ating mga ingredients. Minced beef, egg, salt, oregano, parsley, black pepper, smoked paprika, breadcrumbs, and onions. Imimix lang natin ito gamit yung ating malinis na kamay. Make sure always malinis ang ating kamay.
First impression, you open.
So ayan, ibo-balls na natin. Dito guys, pwede kayo gumamit ng fresh parsley, fresh oregano, and garlic. Pero hindi ako maglalagay ng garlic. Hindi ako naglagay, I mean. So, ayan. Ibo-balls natin ng ganito. Ganyan.
She's inappropriate, the way she's approaching us. I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
At ito naman yung ating main ingredients. Meron tayo ditong garlic, onions, tomato, green peas, red bell pepper, tomato sauce, potato, carrots, cheese, beef cube, and yung ating meatballs. So, umpisahan na natin yung pagluto.
Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache, complication. Open up. Need to breathe,
So, ayan guys, pag ganyan na yung meatballs, pwede na natin baliktarin. At hindi naman siya kailangan i-fully cook dahil mamaya maluluto din yan pag i-add na natin doon sa sauce na lulutuin natin. Kaya, okay lang yung ganyan.
request my chariot, get ya. The door's open. Take the hot road and hop in. OPN. Bitch, you want BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot.
As you can see here, hindi ko kinat lahat ng potatoes. Maliliit kasi siya. I do that on purpose. Merong isang kinat ko kasi medyo malaki siya. You decide guys kung gusto nyo i-cut into small pieces yung potatoes. Gisahin lang natin yung tomatoes hanggang sa madurog ng konti bago natin ilagay yung ibang ingredients. So, after 20 minutes, i-check natin yung potato kung malambot na. Ayan, medyo malambot na. Then, ilagay natin yung carrots. And then, yung beef bouillon. I-stir lang natin para mag-combine.
Request my chariot, get ya. The door's open. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you open. We should be close to friends. If you open, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's open. Take the hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate.
So, ayan guys, after 15 minutes, titikman natin and then mag-a-add ako ng konting salt. After that, i-add na natin yung ibang ingredients. By the way guys, nais ko lang magpasalamat dun sa mga nag-subscribe sa aking channel at dun sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, subscribe na po kayo. And please don't forget to like my videos and turn on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may bago akong video. So now, ilagay na natin yung ibang ingredients. So, ayan guys, maraming salamat sa lahat. So, ayan guys, pagkalagay ng bell pepper at ng green peas, i-stir lang natin hanggang sa mag-combine lahat ng ingredients. Takpan ulit natin and simmer for at least 8 to 10 minutes. After that, pwede na natin i-add yung cheese. And then, you can turn off the heat. And you're done! Enjoy! So, ayan guys, yung aking beef meatballs ala caldereta, afritada, menudo, and mechado. O, diba ang cheesy? Pwede nyo rin itong i-pair sa pasta. Tanggalin nyo lang yung carrots and potatoes. Kaya mga mamis dyan, I hope you will try this recipe at home. Perfect ito sa ating mga anak. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!